This 2026 Keystone Hideout Sport 288 BRSWE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Salem, Oregon, 97305 and is offered for sale by Highway Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 32 feet 11 inches in length and features a STONEBRIAR interior, sleeps 9, water heater, microwave, spare tire kit, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, smoke detector, air conditioning, LP detector, slide-out, oven, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Keystone Hideout Sport 288 BRSWE is 6,660 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.